Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be my fall decorate with me video. As you can tell by the look on my face, I love fall and we're getting into the decorating seasons of the year, fall and then Christmas. So I wanted to share with you how I decorated my house, or you can decorate with me. Now what happens after these videos is I end up kind of rearranging and changing things. So there is going to be a full fall home decor house tour video, which goes in more in depth. You'll see everything. So that video will follow this one. There will be more changes, or if I happen to buy anything afterwards, it'll be in that video. But I wanted to get this up, give you guys some inspiration. I love decorating for fall. I'm going to stop rambling on here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to decorate with me for the fall, then just keep watching. I think to be easier, I'm just gonna do a talk through of me decorating instead of doing like me filming and voiceover. Those actually take forever to film and edit, and then the voiceover. This is just easier, so I'm gonna try to get through this quickly. I just went ahead and wiped down all of my countertops in the kitchen because that's where we're going to be starting. And if you guys couldn't have guessed, I went in with the Caldrea. This is the sea salt neroli. I have been loving this stuff. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with Caldrea and why it's so amazing, is that the smell lingers with this spray. You can wipe down your countertops and you will smell it for hours into the next day. So I just went ahead and wiped down the countertops so we have a clean surface to start with. So for the island, what I'm going to do is just load up these pumpkins. This right here, actually, I got it as a gift from one of my cousins, but it does light up. I think I need to put new batteries in it, so it's nice that it lights up. But I'm gonna put this kind of like rustic pumpkin. It's like a ceramic pumpkin. I'm gonna put that right in the center. And then all of these kind of pumpkins right here. These, I think like all of these are for Michael's. I think last year what I did was I kind of did these two next to them, and then these two white ones I kind of put at the ends. So it kind of goes big and then to the smaller ones. So we are over here in the corner next to my fridge and my stove. Now typically in this corner over here, you guys will always see this kind of, I don't know, it's like a little crystal tray, if you will. I typically will have candles on it year round, and it'll be in this kind of glass, small little glass vase with these flowers. So for the fall, what I decided to do is I saw this at Walmart the other day. I was like, how perfect would this be? How cute is that for the fall? So I am going to just pop these flowers in there. And these little like white tulip small bouquets are from Michael's. I got this like a few years ago. So I'm like, you know what? How cute is that for the fall? This was like $5. So I love it, from Walmart. So we're going to pop that right there. And then I was going back and forth as to what I should put next to this. And I will show you guys what it looks like once I'm done. But I'm going back and forth. Do I want to pop a white pumpkin next to it, or do I want to pop a candle? So I'll probably go back and forth a million times. This is what it looks like with the pumpkin, which is perfectly okay. I'm probably just gonna have to turn this so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like with the pumpkin. And then with the candle, and if you're wondering the candle, this is almond blossom. I just think the color scheme kind of goes with like neutrals and what I'm going for. It's kind of almost down to the bottom, so I'm like, maybe I'll just pop a candle right there. This area right here is a perfect example of something that could change. So in my next home decor house tour video, we shall see if it remains like that. So that's good for right now for this corner. Okay, so next we are over by the coffee area. Quickly, just wanted to shout out my favorite candle in the world, pumpkin pecan waffles. I have that right there. So typically right here, as you guys can see, I always have this, but I'm going to take this out, and that probably will not go back until like around the winter time. And I like to put some like winter icicles in that arrangement, but that arrangement we're putting away. This is the arrangement I kind of like to have, and it's in this kind of mason jar that says fall market. I believe this is from Michael's. And then I bought this kind of, you can buy these anywhere, Hobby Lobby, Michael's. It's just a bag of like fake cotton, and these are like flower arrangements I found at Michael's. So I kind of built upon them, put the fake cotton in, and then these picks I believe I got at Hobby Lobby. They're just like pumpkin picks. I have a ton of them left over, so I kind of just built on it, and that's kind of what I came up with. I have two of these, so I'm going to place this one right here like so. Okay, so next are dish towels. I like to swap out my dish towels for holidays or seasons, etc. And I was on the hunt for some fall ones ones at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I didn't really see any that I liked, so I'm just gonna use the ones that I've been using for the last 2 years. There's no need to buy new ones. I like these, so I'm just gonna swap these out. Currently, right now, these were in, I think, like one of my Walmart videos. I got these dish towels at Walmart, so I'm gonna be swapping these out for the fall ones. So dish towels are all swapped out. Now for this area over here, and it's kind of tricky because I feel like, again, I'm gonna want to switch up everything. So I have this sign, it says pumpkin spice season. Absolutely love it, so true. So I'm just gonna stick this, I'm gonna kind of move this little candle over here. I'm gonna stick that sign right there. And then I also have this kind of like ceramic jar, pumpkin ceramic jar. I'm gonna go grab some M&Ms and we're gonna fill this up, and I'm gonna place this somewhere around here. These are the M&Ms that I have. They're the peanut butter ones. I don't think they're selling any of their like fall colored M&Ms yet. I will be on the hunt for those. So I'm just gonna pour some of these, and I did already wash this last night, and I like to put like a paper towel just on the bottom of it because sometimes the colored M&Ms can bleed, so I just like to have the paper towel there. And I'm gonna pour some M&Ms. And these will probably be gone soon. I'm gonna pour some M&Ms into there. And I love having candy readily available. So I think I'm probably just gonna honestly stick this right there like so, and I think we're good. So lastly, I'm just gonna pop these 2 pillows. They say thankful and blessed. I'm gonna pop them on my little island bar stool or island chairs like that. Hopefully you guys can kind of see what that looks like. So for this right here, this is gonna be a perfect example of something that is probably gonna change 50 million times before I film my next video. So I'm going back and forth right now as to what I wanna put on this table. I got this the other day at Walmart. I thought that was kind of cute. So just as a placeholder, I might stick that right there, or I'm going back and forth. This, which I showed you over by my coffee maker, I have 2 of them. They're just kind of like the floral arrangements, and I built upon them by putting like cotton inside them. And then I have these like pumpkin picks as well. So I was thinking of putting this on the table. I might just put this for now. Again, I want to get something like a bigger kind of, you know, jar or vase, if you will, and maybe transfer this arrangement into it. I'm not really sure. So I guess for right now, that works, and that'll do. So now we are in my living room, which you already know if you've seen my videos. Again, hopefully you can see me okay. I'm really trying to adjust the settings on this new camera into every room I go in, and it's kind of becoming a pain in the butt. So I just took out some of the pillows I'm gonna swap out for fall decorative pillows. So for this ottoman couch right here, I know you can't really see over there, but I think I'm gonna put this pillow, this little decorative pillow on the end. I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So I'm just gonna pop that like right there, like so. And then this pillow right here, I'm going to go and pop over on my couch. If you guys are wondering, this is my couch. I might take away one of these pillows, I'm not really sure. I love throw pillows, unfortunately, so I'm just gonna pop that right there in the center. And then this pillow right here, I absolutely love. I think I got it at Home Goods or Marshalls a few years ago, and I'm going to pop this over on my husband's couch right there. Okay, so now we are going to work on kind of sprucing up and adding to this arrangement. I always have this arrangement here. I just kind of add on to it, excuse me, depending on what season it is. So I have a ton of leftover picks, pumpkin picks. I have like these fake cotton, as I was showing you before, and what I like to do is kind of add onto this, keep it neutral. So I think last year I have them saved. What was working out easier was kind of placing these pumpkins in here. I kind of just like tied up or like flipped the bottom up like that, as you guys can see, and I stuck them in like so, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna continue to kind of stick these into this flower arrangement until I get it to where I want it to be. Okay, so that's kind of like what I came up with. Again, this could like completely change. I kind of just have pumpkins sticking out of it. So I'm just gonna kind of place it back like so. Again, I will go into more depth in my full home decor house tour video, but next we are going to move on to the fireplace. So my camera definitely died about 3 hours ago, so I went ahead and finished up the fireplace. I just wanted to show you what I did. So basically, you have seen my fireplace many times. This burlap garland that you see, I have this on my fireplace or on the mantle year round other than the holidays, like around Christmas time I switch it out, but I love it year round because it covers the sound bar underneath it, and you can't even tell it's there, and it kind of goes, you know, with the neutral tones of my living room. But for the fall, it just looks so nice and ties in with the theme I'm going for, with the neutrals and the whites for the fall. So I have that burlap garland right there. Then I have, and I turned on the LED lights that I have interwoven, and at night it looks really nice. They're just strain LED lights, as you guys can see. And then if you remember from before, I was showing you these pumpkins that say give thanks. So I have them all on the mantle, but when it gets closer to Thanksgiving, I'll turn them around. But since it's September, like the first day of September, we're just gonna keep them turned around for now. So I just put 4 on the mantle, and it's simple, it works. I didn't wanna like overwhelm it. And then for this corner down here, and you can disregard the shiatsu massager, that gets a ton of use. I've mentioned it in many Amazon videos. But for this corner, this is what I came up with, similar to what I did last year. And that ceramic vase usually will be by my front door, and I have flowers in it. So for the fall, I like to move it by the fireplace, and that's where I'm adding my pops of color in. So I believe these like picks or stems, whatever you want to call them, are from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, but I like it because it's neutral, but it still adds a pop of color. That orange adds a pop of color to the living room. So that's kind of what I came up with there. And then I just have these random kind of pumpkins stuffed right there. So that's what that corner looks like, and then that's what the fireplace looks like. Okay guys, so that is it for this fall decorate with me. Let me know in the comments down below, do you decorate for fall? I like to decorate for fall. I don't really do like Halloween or spooky themes. I like to just do fall in general. But let me know in the comments down below, do you decorate for fall? Do you like decorate for fall? What color tones do you go for? Obviously me, it's neutral. I'm a neutral Nelly, if that's even a thing. I used to do all burgundies and oranges and everything like that. But let me know what colors you prefer to decorate your home with in the fall. I'd be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.